In today's world, security in working for someone else is not secure. You could be out of work in a blink, and when you're working for someone else, you aren't building your own legacy or building your own wealth, and chances are your current work is not fulfilling. Owning your own business is the answer, and all successful people agree. But what business to start? You aren't an expert at anything, and you don't want to open a business that has a high rate of failure or very competitive. Enter Rolling Video Games, a mobile video game party, an easy business to start and incredibly affordable. You don't have to be a video game expert. This is about bringing happiness to people through customer service. People book the party and the party shows up. That's it. No products to inventory or ship or sell or be stolen or go bad. You will already have the training, and operating the business at a very low cost gives you peace of mind of making it. Rolling Video Games has a high success rate with more than 100 businesses around the United States and abroad, all running successfully and at the pace and style of the owner. You don't have to pay franchise fees or any monthly fees whatsoever. You keep what you earn, because that's what entrepreneurs do. And there are two things that are never going out of style. 1. Parties, because there are millions of birthdays every day and there are many more reasons to celebrate. Fundraisers, big events, festivals, and more. 2. Video games. Check your statistics. Video games outsell Hollywood movies and the music industry combined, and people of a vast range of ages enjoy video games. You will not find a business that is ready for complete ownership and training at a price that is under $50,000 with this much earning potential and proven track record. You owe it to yourself to look into owning a Rolling Video Games. You only need one person to operate the entire business, and much of it is automated with online payments and bank transfers. There is no manual labor involved, and you always leave your customers happy. And being in a happy business is healthy. Time to earn in your area before someone else does.